Hi, it's Gina with your Kingdom Sewing Minute Clinic, and today I would like to talk to you about your programmable needle stop position. So you can see I'm working here today with the Janome Travel Mate 30, and if we take a closer look at the buttons across the front here, we'll see that we have the one with the white and black arrow here up and down, and this is our needle button. This will raise and lower the needle for us. But it also is how we program the machine to stop in a specific position, up or down. So when I put my fabric under here, if I tap the needle down, now as I'm sewing, the needle will continue to stop in the down position. And when I tap the needle up and I sew, the needle will stop in the up position every time I stop. So this can be very handy when maybe you're doing some pivoting. I'm going to come in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing here. So maybe I'm turning a lot of corners, so I'm going to tap my needle down. We'll sew, say, one side of our square here, our needle comes down. I can lift up my presser foot, I can turn the corner, I can stop again, and I don't have to keep bringing my needle down into the fabric because it's already there. Maybe I've sewn for a ways and I need to stop and adjust my layers, make sure everything's lining up correctly, and then I want to continue on. If my needle was up, I might pull a little too hard and pull my fabric out from under the foot a little bit. So it's really nice to be able to anchor your fabric down with that needle in the fabric. Or if you choose, depending what you're sewing, you'd like to have the needle up maybe, you can do that as well. But this is a really handy feature on most machines. Again, it's that little needle button right here that raises and lowers your needle. It also, on some machines, will set the program. On your more advanced computerized machines, usually that's an option in the programming, and the button here will just raise and lower the needle without actually changing the program. So be sure to check your owner's manual on how to use your button. This has been your Kingdom Sewing Minute Clinic.